Alright, I am back with more Satisfactory, and I got rid of the trucks, and I've now got conveyor belts. I got these belts, transporting steel. I've got pipes, I've got steel beams. We're good. The trucks were a fun experiment. They must be a little bit buggy because I don't remember them being that bad like several updates ago. Also, one thing I did is I reduced my visual settings a bit. I reduced foliage because the stuttering is especially bad here in the forest area, which is unfortunately where I started. So I think it has to do with the dense foliage, so I had to reduce that by quite a bit. LOD settings and all of that, so maybe that'll help a little bit. I know it won't get rid of the stuttering, but maybe it'll be a little bit less frequent. But that's part of playing in experimental, so I can't complain too much about it. Hopefully they'll get it in a little bit a better state once it's released to stable. Alright, I think we're done researching a hard drive. Let's have a look. An alternate industrial pipe. Encased industrial pipe. Four beams and 5 concrete. I think that saves a little bit of steel. Yeah, do that. Alright, we got 3 more hard drives. Alright, so... yeah, we finished sending smart plates up here, so I got rid of the belt that was sending smart plates. And I think we're still making them. Maybe I can send them to, I can use them for tickets. Yeah, I'll keep making them for now. Why not? Now, we can start on the other parts that we need for project assembly. What are they? Versatile framework? Okay, that's a modular frame and a steel beam. 5 per minute. So, 2.5 modular frames per minute. Plus 30 steel beams per minute. That's a lot of steel beams. Oh no. We're all full on modular frames. Well, let's use them up. Versatile framework. 30 per minute. I think we're producing 30 steel beams per minute, so this is going to use all of them. I don't quite want to use all of them. We'll just set this to like 85% so that we can maintain a little bit of a surplus. Alright, where's our beams? Is that here? That's here. Let's go around this way. Maybe chopping down these trees will help my performance. Yeah, it's a shame about the stuttering because the game runs pretty fantastic. Otherwise, I mean, I haven't done tests with this latest version, but the old versions, like 3 updates ago, I think is when I last played. And I had a not a big factory. I mean, not compared to what other people have made, but a larger factory than this, more machines than this. And I'd still maintain around 100 FPS or so. No problem. Which is about what I'm getting now. Well, right now I have it locked to 60. But I would be getting probably around 100, 120 FPS. But it's just the stuttering kills it. Alright, let's take this up. Where is it? There it is. Oh, I can just barely. There we go. Alright, that's going to use 2.5, well, 2.125 per minute. And we're making a lot more than that, so we're good on modular frames. Now the next thing we need, the next part we need, automated wiring. That is stators, cables. Alright, what is stators? Pipe, wire. how many wires am I making? 60 per minute. Okay. I'm gonna probably need to expand my copper here. Alright, so if we have this going at 5 per minute, that's going to require 40 wires per minute. But this part here is also going to require a lot of cables. A lot of cables. 50. Is that right? 50 cables per minute, which is 100 wires. Okay. So this is not going to be enough. That's okay. Let's just hook this up. Oh no. Oh please. Oh, I can't. There's no sweet spot in there where I can put my splitter. Alright, I gotta reorganize this a little bit. It might be salvageable. I have some room here. Alright, let me try this. Wait, what am I doing with this? Oh, that's the copper sheets. Okay. Oh, that's in the way. Ha, great. Hey, it works. The longer I put off refactoring my base, the more painful that process is going to be. I should do it fairly soon. Basically, I want to reorganize everything and get everything on foundations. The ratios will be better, maybe not perfect, but better, more manageable. I think I have access to blueprints. Did I unlock those yet? I can try those. Alright, we need to upgrade. Is this pure? That's pure. Let's upgrade that to Mark II. There we go. Okay, we got 2 more wires. So, what I'm gonna do... These are 30. Okay, so I gotta combine them here. Is that matched up? That doesn't look... I guess it is. Okay. Oh, this is ridiculous. I love it. Alright, we're getting all kinds of wires in here. 120. So we need a Mark II belt here. Be funny if they implemented physics for every single item on the belt. And some of them would just tip over, or you could walk across the belt and just knock them over. Oh, that'd be a nightmare. I think I have to get rid of this. Alright, we'll rework the cable thing. Wires in steel. How many cables did this dang thing need? 50 per minute. That's 100, yeah, that's 100 wires. Even this is not going to be enough. Alright, if I want 100 wires per minute, let me check here. Or I want 50 cables per minute. Production rate, 30 per minute. I can do it with 2 constructors. Alright, let's, double up on constructors here. Oh, that's gonna use all my wires. Oh man. I mean, I can add more wire production. Okay, that's fine. Let's get a merger. No, not a merger. A splitter. Can I put a splitter here? No, if I can't do that, that's a problem. Okay. That'll work. I just need to add a splitter in here for other things. Oh, this is ridiculous. Alright, we got 2 cables. Now we gotta store the cables. I don't like storing them here. I'm gonna store them kind of in the same spot, but facing the other direction. Oh, I gotta transfer him. Alright, let's make some space. No room. Okay. Get rid of the leaves. Let me take some of that biofuel. We can put it in here. Turn it into tickets. Alright, now I gotta transfer all the cables. Manually. Alright, we're good. Now we're gonna do something silly. Take these cables and merge them. At 60 per minute. And then we're gonna take them all the way around. Oh my god, this is so silly. Come on. Yes, there. Not quite. Good enough. Get in there. Alright, we are now producing 60 cables per minute. What a beautiful mess. Alright, now this one is wires and steel pipes. We need a splitter. Doesn't really need to be that far. Ah, that's fine. I just put it all the way over there because I thought I might need more space for the copper stuff. But I might actually in the future, so yeah, I'll keep some of this space clear. Alright, now I need what? Pipes? Pipes, 15 per minute. I can do that. I've got pipes. We'll raise it off the ground a little bit so the belts don't get in our way. And let's store it. Where do I want to store it? Right next to it? Okay, that's going to get us 5 per minute. And, okay, so 5 per minute. That'll be enough for... two assemblers producing automated wiring, but if we do 2 assemblers, that's going to be so much cable that I can't keep up with it. So we'll do 1 assembler for automated wiring. That's going to consume 2.5 stators per minute. So about half of these will be consumed, and about half will accumulate in there. That's fine. We can have a little surplus. I'm sure we'll need them for other things too. Automated wiring. There we go. And there go the cables. Now we got to get this automated wiring up to here. I want to put the belt here. Let's see if I can jump on this belt. Oh boy. Whoa. Okay, that worked. Let's see if we can do this. And there we go. That's it. This looks silly. We can delete that. I mean, it's kind of silly to worry about such a small thing when the entire base looks as silly as it does. I don't know, when I look at it from up here, I can see there is a kind of structure to all of this. You can see all these constructors like lined up. That looks neat. And then these here are all lined up. So there is a kind of structure. It's the belts that kind of spaghettify everything. But that's fine. Some people like spaghetti. I don't mind it. Yeah, we're doing okay. And you can see there at the top right, we are getting the versatile frames. I think that's what that is. And we're producing the automated wiring. So, we're well on our way to completing phase 2. Finally. It's slow, but it's automated. It works. Now, I haven't looked at our power in a while. Are we okay on power? Well, yes, but we're getting up there. Capacity 790. Consumption around 500. Are we using biofuel at this point? No, but I think we're pretty close. If we bump up production too much more, or even a little bit more, we'll probably start eating into biofuel again. Let's check our hard drive. Copper alloy ingot. Beacon. Pending removal. This item will likely be removed in a future update. Currently only used as an ingredient in an alternative recipe. Oh, right. They did something... Right, they got rid of beacons because... Well, they're going to because now we can just put waypoints on the map. Right. Steamed copper sheet. Man, that just complicates things a lot. Instead of a constructor, you use a refinery, which uses more power, then you need water. You get a little bit more copper sheet out of it, but none of these are terribly useful. I guess I'll go with this one. Gives me the option of using some iron ore for copper, plus you just get more out of it. This is 15 ore total for 20 ingots. So it's better than a 1-to-1 ratio. I'll do that one. Alright, what's next? Let's have a look here. Milestones. Hypertubes. Those could be fun. Logistics Mark III. I don't really need those right now. Blueprints. I think I want to mess with blueprints. Let's do that. I have to make a blueprint gun, it said. Build gun upgrade. Oh, build gun. Okay. Blueprints. This build gun software upgrade adds the blueprint tab to the build menu. From the blueprint tab, pioneers are able to access and organize the blueprints created with the blueprint designer. I gotta mess with that. I think that's what we're gonna do next episode. Don't know if I need it for anything right now, but I will need it when I refactor my base, which is definitely totally gonna happen at some point in the future. Definitely. Totally. Let me just top up on all these materials here. Okay. Now one thing I wanted to do, there was this thing, AI limiters. Quick wire and copper sheets. And I don't really need AI limiters for anything right now. I do need them for some research, and I'm sure to build these programmable splitters, smart splitters, and everything, I'm gonna need them. I don't need them for any phase parts right now. Oh, I want to do that. +1 hand equipment slot. I'm doing that first thing after the hard drive is done. There's one more thing I can do before I end the episode that'll help us with production of AI limiters. Let me grab a couple more reinforced iron plates. Alright, I've got quick wire being produced over here. I'm just gonna bring it along here with a belt. Put it on top of these. It's not that far. Shouldn't take long. Okay, I think performance is a little better. They're still hitching from time to time, but it's not as frequent, and it doesn't pause as long. I mean, before, when I was running through this place, it would just pause for like 3, sometimes 4 or 5 seconds at a time. So I think it is a little better. Alright, we're not doing much here, but we got a little bit of quick wire production. I'm not gonna increase our production on that right now. I gotta start with Mark II conveyor belts. Right now I'm just gonna bring it to my base up here. And then later I can add more quick wire production as I need it. I'm sure I'll need it in the future, a lot more of it. Right now I just want to bring it to my base. Oh man, shouldn't have put them so high. Just want to get it to my base. So that it's easily accessible. Of course, the AI limiters are going to use even more copper. But I think we can increase our copper production a little bit more. Might have to tap into another copper node. I don't know if there's another one around my base. I'll have to check. It might be the only one. Nice. I actually brought enough reinforced iron plates. I nearly ran out, but I did it. Now they'll collect in here. And we can use that quick wire to make AI limiters, which I can use for research, and there's a few other things I can use it for right now, but I think mostly that's a future thing, but I want to get some of it done for the research. Last thing I'll do before ending. How many tickets have we accumulated? Coupons, 28. Gimme. Alright. Now I've got one coupon. One coupon. Let's buy some stuff. Do I need Mark II wall outlets? Probably not. I want to get the pillars. Metal pillars. More architecture stuff. Yes. Frame pillar. Industrial railing. We don't need that. Safety. Never heard of such a thing. Asphalt, yep. Concrete wall materials. How we doing? That's 11. Golden nut. 1,000 tickets. Oh, geez. The fact that these tickets get progressively more expensive, I don't know quite how the calculation is done, but each ticket is progressively more expensive. So getting the golden nut is not really a matter of just brute forcing it. I mean, you can't just dump ore into your ticket maker for a long time and expect to get 1,000 tickets. I mean, you could, but it'll take a very, very long time. You really need to dump in the higher tier things. I do need a ladder. Rip metal. Let's do it. Alright, what's that? 19? Frame pillar set. Add to cart. Do I want walls right now? Double ramp set, maybe. Inverted ramp. Conveyor wall mount. I'll get that. Organization. Display signs will be great, but that can wait. I should probably get the stairs. Icons are fun. Alright. We'll get all that. I still have some left over. 7. Oh man. Windowed wall is so expensive. I suppose I should get these. Ramps. If I'm going to be doing some... If I'm going to be working a lot with foundations, I want all the options I can get. Alright. That's all of our tickets. We got a lot of new building options. Do we have a hard drive done? Yes. Okay, we'll do this real quick. Copper rotor. Alright, that uses copper instead of iron. Well, it uses both instead of just iron. Bolted frame. I'm going to do this one, the rotor. And then I can do... Where's that one I want? Is it the quartz? No, no, no. Alien organism. Equipment hand slot. I need DNA capsules. Expand my tool belt. Yes. Look at that. What should I put in it? Detonator. Beautiful. Nothing in my head, nothing in my body. Body must be jetpack. Head... Oh, gas mask. Probably gas mask. Okay. I've got one more hard drive. We'll put that in there. And then we'll end the episode. And next time, I'm going to mess around a little bit with blueprints. And we'll just let this... let these phase 2 parts... assemble and be transferred in there, and it'll take a little bit, but we're getting there. We're making progress. We're almost half done with the automated wiring. So yeah, did a lot of copper expansion and working on our project assembly parts. Looking good.